Welcome to Loomly. In this video, we'll cover everything about Loomly's standard plan. The standard plan supports up to 6 collaborators, managing up to 20 social accounts, and provides access to Loomly's core offerings such as publishing and interactions, as well as additional features like advanced analytics and content exports. This is the Loomly dashboard, where you can get an overview of your entire account, including posts in need of action, like being approved, and all upcoming content. Loomly allows you to create as many calendars as you need to manage content, assets, and more, keeping you organized across clients, brands, and projects. In each calendar, you can connect one account per social media channel, so you could connect a Facebook page, Instagram account, and LinkedIn company page to one calendar. If you wanted to add two Facebook pages, though, you would need two calendars. Other calendar settings you can modify include your calendar name, time zone, and more. You can also invite collaborators, assign roles to each user, set up scheduling slots to queue posts, and speed up content creation. Update your preferred workflow and add post ideas, including auto drafted posts from RSS feeds and custom post ideas. Use the top navigation bar to explore the Post Ideas view if you need content inspiration for any given day, advanced analytics for reporting, and interactions to engage with your audience. You can also filter posts. If you manage multiple calendars, you can switch between them by clicking the down arrow button. When managing your social media content, you can switch between list view and calendar view. List view is ideal for getting an overview of your content, including checking copy, status, assignee, and more. You can also use the bulk actions like updating assignees and approving or deleting posts. Calendar view lets you easily see the spread of your posts and allows you to drag and drop posts to reschedule them. You can also create quick posts on specific dates as placeholders for upcoming content. Each calendar includes a dedicated library where you can store, manage, and organize your media assets such as images, videos, and PDF documents. You can export designs from Canva directly to the Loomly library, and you also have access to millions of royalty-free images from Unsplash and can upload images from your Google Drive. Additionally, you can store important notes or create post templates for recurring content like store hours or sales in your library for future use. If you ever experience writer's block, Loomly has a hub of inspirational ideas featuring ongoing fun events and special days throughout the year. Just click on the link to learn more or select Create Post from Idea. Use Post Builder to draft and schedule a month of posts with ease. Explore inspiration from connected RSS feeds or ideas from Loomly. Clone your posts to other calendars to speed up your content creation, and customize your content to increase engagement on different social channels. You can edit images or videos, add alt text, and cover images, as well as take advantage of channel specific options. Loomly's interactions allow you to engage with your audience from a unified social inbox. You can respond to mentions, comments, replies, and messages without missing a beat. You can also assign conversations to team members, create safe replies for frequently asked questions, and filter conversations based on their status. All standard plan users have access to Loomly's advanced analytics, where you can view in depth post metrics such as reach, reactions, engagement rate across different social media channels. Plus, you can monitor your account growth across numerous metrics and access additional filtering options. You can also track performance metrics from Loomly's link shortener loom.ly, including click counts, sources, and locations. One of the biggest differences between a standard plan and the base plan is that the standard plan allows you to export data and content. You can export your analytics in PDF or CSV formats, as well as posts from list view, calendar view, and post view. This allows you to loop in stakeholders or clients who aren't in Loomly, especially if they want to approve a month of content at once. You can also integrate Slack or Microsoft Teams for instant notifications to take action quickly. Simply head to your account settings to update your notification preferences. And that's it. Start a free trial today to see how Loomly can help you achieve social media success for your team. Thank you for listening.